Well, hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Hey, so you asked for some videos that I have been shooting for other channels. You asked them to be put onto this site. So here's another one that is just really just out of this world cool. I really enjoyed this component. It just turned out amazing. We actually did a test on the first one and found out we had some weak points on it. Totally redesigned it and came up with something just very incredible. I think that you're gonna agree. Stay tuned.
March is looking good. We're coming up on our nominal. Okay, all flight controllers, go for landing. Retro, go, right up, go, right, so, control, go, downtown, go, GNC, go, downtown, go for landing.
Welcome to Globe Trekker's tutorial on how to install the access stairs and patent-pending dual-purpose ladder access stairs combination. As with all our products, they are designed and tested within powerful engineering software to ensure the best quality, functionality, and strength while maintaining a lightweight and low-impact part of your overland expedition camping experience. The all-steel frame and stair supports are powder-coated and the aluminum treads are anodized for long-life durability and rust prevention. Start by mounting the frame only under the habitat between the subframe's habitat support structure and the frame of the vehicle.
All right, so on the universal subframe, what we've done is thought forward in the center pivot holes that you use for movement of the center pivot if you choose to do so, or the front pivot, is also the same spacing as the stair mount. If you're lucky enough to use a hole, use a hole. Otherwise, like on this one, I'm going to have to mark and drill the holes to the location that I want it to be in. So after you mount the frame, then you can slide your stairs in place.
Position the side of the stairs in line with the habitat's door hinges. This will provide extra room on the stairs for opening the door. Utilize the pre-drilled holes in the subframe if they are available in the area you want to mount the stairs frame. If there are no pre-drilled holes, use a drill to make the required holes in the subframe. Ensure the stairs frame is mounted flush with the bottom of the subframe. You may need to temporarily block the stairs frame on the driver's and passenger side truck frame to accomplish this. When the stairs frame is securely bolted into place with the provided stainless steel hardware, you may proceed in sliding the assembled stairs into place. That was easy. The access stairs lock and unlock into place with a spring-loaded handle, both in the stowed position and the ladder or access stairs position. The ladder access stairs combination system features a strong midpoint pivot that allows the first 4 steps to pivot and form a 15-degree angled step ladder to access your habitat in tight spaces or when you just want access to the habitat without pulling the entire set of stairs out. This feature is only available with the ladder access stairs combination system. To avoid a pinching hazard, only lift from the bottom front part of the step when maneuvering the access steps. To extend the full set of stairs, continue to pull the access stairs out until the bump stop is reached. Set the stairs landing pads on the ground and engage the spring-loaded locking handles, which are located on both sides of the access stairs frame rail. The stairs come in 30 and 25-inch widths, wide enough for even those that are unsteady on their feet to traverse easily.
Do you do this on other people's stairs? Oh, Dave, it's time. Come on up.
It's time. Doesn't look like it's going anywhere, Bill. Yeah, I think that is a win. This concludes our tutorial on the ladder access stairs combination system. To take full advantage of our products, additional tutorials, our how-to assemble videos, and educational videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website at www.rvglobetrekker.com, where you can order our products and our OEM distributor products straight from the website. Until next time, be safe in your overland expedition adventures, and God bless. I told you it was just amazing, right? So, hey, I really appreciate you clicking on this video. I will see you next time in another update. And you know what? I just got confirmation that the parts are in. So that video will be coming up hopefully in the next few weeks. I'll try to plan something before Christmas, but I just don't know if I'll be able to make it. So maybe after the new year, you're gonna find some really cool parts being put onto Malachi. More expensive than what I even paid for the whole truck altogether. So this ought to be pretty epic. At least it will be for me. Thanks again for watching. I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.